Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 19. Let's eat together. Okay, so class party. So class party was going on among the children. Now let's see what is happening. The school reopened today after the vacation. The children talked about how they had fun their holidays. So in the vacation time all went for holidays, to different places. So they are discussing among them about the holidays. Meena, why did you put mehndi on your palms? So Meena is asking, why did you put mehndi on your palms? So Aarti is replying, because of my uncle's wedding. Because of her uncle's wedding was there. So that's why she put mehndi on her palms. So Meena is again asking, oh, you might have had a lot of fun there. That means you have had a lot of fun there. बहुत मज़ा आया होगा तुमको. So Aarti is replying, yes, I enjoyed a lot eating together also. So she enjoyed a lot and they all were eating together. David, wow, it will be fun. Let us do that. So David was saying that wow, it was very fun eating together. So we also do like that. So all have decided to arrange a party in the class. So among the children, they have decided to arrange a party. Okay. So each one started telling what would they bring from their home. So each one were discussing. Sometimes you also discuss, no, कल तुम ये लेके आना नाश्ते में, कल मैं ये लेके आऊँगी. So like that they all were discussing that what they have to bring from home. On Saturday, they all brought the things, enjoyed the party. A variety of dishes were there. So all were discussed and they brought and then they had a party. And there are different varieties of dishes also. All played, sang and danced together. So all were playing, dancing and singing also. Understood? अलग अलग डिशेस खा के, डांस करके, गाना गा के सब लोग ने बहुत एंजॉय किया. So this one to write in your notebook, this you do in your rough book. Okay. Now celebrating Uttarayan. Pinky woke up early in the morning. She ran to call her friends Sejal, Ayush, Tanvir, Fatima and Iqbal to their houses. So Pinky early in the morning she wake up and then she ran to call her friends. Who were their friends? Sejal, Ayush, Tanvir, Fatima and Iqbal were their friends. Today is the Uttarayan. Everyone was very happy. So they are celebrating Uttarayan festival, and Uttarayan is the festival of kites. You also play with kites. Like that, they are very happy that Uttarayan festival has come. They have done special preparation to celebrate Uttarayan. So among the children, they discuss something about how to celebrate Uttarayan. How will they celebrate Uttarayan? Let's see. They woke up early. Okay, they all woke up early. Jaldi se उठ गए. Their elder brothers tied the kite bridle. Then Hina and kept them ready on the previous day. So kite को हमें बांध के रखना होता है ना उड़ाने के लिए. So they all kept ready all the kites in the previous day only. Pinky's grandmother has made til's laddu and groundnut chikki. So during Uttarayan, people used to make chikkis. Okay. Sejal has brought laddu of puffed rice, mamra from home. So you have seen mamra laddu, which is made with jaggery. So Sejal brought laddu of puffed rice. And Tanvir has brought boar from his garden. So Tanvir ने क्या लेके गार्डन से बोर पता है ना क्या है. Ayush's mother also gave fresh boar. So she also gave fresh boar. Pinky's mother is preparing undhiyu. Do you know what is undhiyu? Undiyu is prepared with different varieties of vegetables. Okay, let's see. Some of them might know about it. Do you know which ingredients are required to prepare undiyu? So what are the ingredients? Cluster beans, runner यानी वालोर, beans and brinjal, potatoes, tomatoes too. Okay, so all these vegetables are used to prepare undiyu. Spices like capsicum, coriander and ginger are also required. Without sweet potato, elephant foot and yam, these are different varieties of potatoes. Like one simple potato, you know, and another one is sweet potato, and elephant foot is also that type only, but it is a big one. And yam also, you can search in Google the pictures. Okay, there is no taste in undiyu. So without sweet potatoes and elephant foot and yam, there will be no taste in undiyu. So it is must. Mother added vada of fenugreek leaves too. So also she added vada of fenugreek leaves too. And Iqbal was surprised to see all this, and he was very surprised. Grandmother was making hot jalebis. So what was grandmother doing? She was making jalebis, and all have started, and all together they have started to eat all these things. Now everyone went to the terrace to fly kites. So after eating, they went to fly the kites now. Some flew fly kites and some held फिरकी in their hands. So एक जना काइट उड़ाता है और फिरकी जो है एक जना पकड़ के रखता है, नहीं तो क्या होगा, पूरे गुच्छे हो जाएंगे, पता है ना आपको. So one is holding the firki and another one is flying the kites. Then everybody cheered a Kapyo Gayo, and also all sang songs. Throughout the day all were in sunlight. So in Uttarayan we also do like that. No? Till evening we were on the terrace only. So they enjoyed a lot on that day. Okay. So before celebrating Uttarayan, before flying kites, what did they did? They eat jalebis, vada, then they ate boar, then what all things, children? Undiyu, then chikki. So with all these eating varieties, they celebrated that day. Okay, now let's talk. When is Uttarayan celebrated? So Uttarayan is celebrated on which date? On 14th January. Do you know that the people from all religions celebrate Uttarayan? Yes, you see, here only all the people, they celebrate Uttarayan. Okay. How is laddu or til or chikki made? It is made with jaggery and til. Okay. Do you prepare undiyu at home or bring it from market? This you do in your rough book. Okay. And which preparation has to be done before cooking undiyu? This also you can write it in your rough book. And this one, find out and tell. This also you write in your rough book. Now midday meal. What is midday meal? So midday meal is not given in the private schools. It is for the government schools. And this food is given to all the children of standard primary classes 1 to 8 in government schools. Okay. So let's discuss about it. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. The aroma of food being cooked has filled the air. Okay. So पढ़ते पढ़ते जब खाना बन रहा होता है स्कूल में, तो वो जो अरोमा आता है, वो जो स्वीट स्मेल जो होता है, वो बच्चों को वो सूंघ के क्या होता है, भूख लगती है. सो आवर स्टमक इज क्रेविंग फॉर फूड. क्या होता है, हम खाने की इच्छा होती है. वी आर सो हंग्री एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू पे अटेंशन टू द लेसन। तो जैसे ही वो स्मेल आता है तो वो फिर क्या होता है, मैम जब पढ़ा रही होती हैं तो उनको उन पे ध्यान नहीं होता, हमको सिर्फ खाना है अभी। So then rang turn turn turn, the bell rang. All the children ran out to wash their hands. After washing our hands, we shall sit in a queue to take our food. So देखो सब साथ में बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं ना। तो ये स्कूल में ऐसा दिया जाता है मिड डे मील। कितने बजे देते हैं? 1:30 को। और उनको ऐसे लाइन में बैठना होता है। सी ओके, वी गॉट प्लेट फ्रॉम आवर स्कूल ओनली। बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड टू ईट वी सैंग टुगेदर। और हम खाना खाने से पहले हम गाना गाते हैं साथ में। वी प्ले टुगेदर, वी ईट टुगेदर, फॉर द गुड ऑफ एवरी वन वी विल ऑलवेज बी टुगेदर। सो दे आर सेइंग वी प्ले टुगेदर, वी ईट टुगेदर एंड फॉर द गुड ऑफ एवरी वन, हम हमेशा साथ में रहेंगे। सो वी विल ऑलवेज बी टुगेदर। एंड टुडे देर इज चना चाट, थेपला एंड सूखी भाजी इन आवर मील। सो एवरी डे different vegetables are being cooked. So today chana chaat was there, thepla was there, and one sukhi bhaji and sukhi sabji was there. Okay, yesterday we had subdi and vegetable khichdi. So they are telling about yesterday's meal, what they had. Outside the kitchen of the school menu is displayed. So school के किचन के बाहर मेन्यू लिखा होता है कि इस दिन क्या खाने को मिलेगा। It is wonderful when we get sweets as an extra treat. So sometimes they get extra treat also, sometimes they get sweets also. There is another interesting thing about lunch time at school. So lunch time में एक और interesting चीज़ है, क्या है? Every day we change our places in the circle and sit next to a different child. तो क्या होता है, रोज एक ही फ्रेंड के पास नहीं बैठते हैं, वो सबके पास बैठते हैं। एक दिन एक फ्रेंड के पास, दूसरे दिन एक फ्रेंड के पास बैठते हैं। I really like this because I can meet new children and make new friends. इससे क्या होता है, साथ में बैठ के खाते खाते और न्यू फ्रेंड्स वो बनाते हैं। Our teachers take care that all the children will get fresh and hot meal. So teachers ध्यान रखते हैं कि सब बच्चों को फ्रेश और गर्म खाना मिले। Parents also offer special meal for help. And sometimes parents give in the school special, today is my son's birthday or whatever, any occasion they give special meal also for the children. Nowadays things are better. We eat fresh, hot and properly cooked food together. अभी और भी अच्छा हमें खाना मिलता है, वो ये बोल रहे हैं, अच्छे से पका हुआ गरम गरम हमें खाना मिलता है। We take care that all the students finish the food, they do not waste it. और स्कूल में ये ध्यान रखा जाता है कि सब खाना जो है वो पूरा ही खाए बच्चे और उसे वेस्ट ना करें। ईटिंग टुगेदर इज़ फन, और साथ में खाना जो है बहुत ही एन्जॉयबल है। आपको पता है ना, साथ में खाना खाने से कितना मज़ा आता है, और वो भी बच्चों के साथ। और अभी तो आप मिस कर रहे होंगे ना ये सब। समटाइम्स इफ़ समवन कम्स विदाउट ईटिंग फ्रॉम होम, और कभी कभी ऐसे बच्चे अगर घर से खाए बगैर आ जाता है। और ये गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में कौन आता है, ज़्यादातर बच्चे जो गरीब होते हैं, ओके, जिनको फीस भरने के लिए पैसों की तकलीफ़ होती है, उनकी लिविंग जो है वो थोड़ी सी पुअर है, तो ऐसे लोग ही गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में जाते हैं। तो वो लोग को शायद खाने में मम्मी पापा काम करते होंगे, तो खाने में उनको सुबह सुबह बनाना, कभी मम्मी ने नहीं बनाया हो तो भी क्या होता है, वो स्कूल जाके खाना खा सकते हैं। सो ये वही बता रहे हैं कि ईटिंग फ्रॉम होम, सो ही और शी कैन ईट हियर। डू यू लाइक टू स्टडी विद एन एम्प्टी स्टमक? इससे भी कोई भी लोग बिना खाना खाए मतलब ध्यान दे पाते हैं पढ़ाई में? नो। सो इन एम्प्टी स्टमक nobody will able to teach also and nobody will able to listen also, because you might be feeling hungry. Okay, so find and write in your notebook. This one no need of doing this. Okay, Many children, midday meal every child's right. So many children in our country are not able to get even one full meal every day. यही मैं बोल रही थी, एक पूरा खाना भी ऐसे लोग हैं कि उनको खाना भी अच्छे से मिलता नहीं है. सो मेनी ऑफ देम गो टू स्कूल विथ एम्प्टी स्टमक. बहुत जने इसलिए बिना खाए स्कूल जाते हैं. इसलिए अपने इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट का रूल है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ आवर कंट्री हैज़ ऑर्डर्ड दैट ऑल द चिल्ड्रन अप टू एलिमेंट्री स्कूल, मतलब सारे बच्चे जो फर्स्ट से 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक हैं उन्हें खाना दिया जाता है, शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड विथ हॉट कुक्ड फूड, एंड दिस इज़ द राइट ऑफ एवरी चाइल्ड, एंड दिस इज़ द राइट ऑफ एवरी चाइल्ड in our country. Okay, so this is the explanation part of this chapter. Notes also I am going to send soon. Write neatly in your workbook. Okay, thank you.